Hi, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag Artism Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. Every Sunday, she releases a new prompt, and you have to do a 2-page spread. And this week, this is week 5, is quotes. And I'm catching up, so let's see where my quote page is. Boom. Quotes. And I picked a few people that I have admired in my life. So, and read a lot about, watched a lot of them, and just like them in general. So let's start. I dream of painting and then I paint my dreams. Vincent van Gogh. Betty White. Butterflies are like women. We may look pretty and delicate, but baby, we can fly through a hurricane. Very true. Dolly Parton. Find out who you are and do it on purpose. Walt Disney. If you can dream it, you can do it. Ronald Reagan. There is no limit to the amount of good you can do if you don't care who gets the credit. Bob Ross. There are no mistakes, only happy little accidents. And let's get crazy. What the heck? And my ultimate favorite, John Wayne. Tomorrow is the most important thing in life. It comes into us at midnight, very clean. It's perfect when it arrives, and it puts itself in our hands. It hopes we've learned something from yesterday. John Wayne. So, and then trust in yourself. Trust in yourself in a mirror. That's another quote of mine. And I just kind of put them down and I doodled around them a little bit. So that is my quotes. Van Gogh, Betty White, Dolly Parton, Walt Disney, Ronald Reagan, Bob Ross, and John Wayne. So please go check out everybody else's. Just follow the hashtag and they will get you there. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.